Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is June the 12th and my short show today is on my watermelons. Okay, here's my watermelon plants. I have a hill here that has 3 or 4 plants in it. And I put a bunch of compost down and rabbit manure, and it's actually composted in quite a bit before I even got the seeds planted. But I put a trellis in it with these T-posts and cattle panel, and the watermelons are going up it pretty well already, and there are quite a few little baby watermelons. There's a baby, there's a little bit bigger baby, there's a little tiny baby with the bloom still on it. This might be the biggest baby. So I've never tried growing them on trellis before. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get some kind of a like a landscape netting or something to tie them up so that they don't put a whole lot of excess pressure on the vines as the watermelons grow. All right, so remember to hit the subscribe and click the bell so that you get updated on all my future videos. And see, one more thing before I go. I wanted to remind you about hashtag I am a creative community. If you have a YouTube channel that you're trying to grow, there is another I Am Creator Fun happening this Saturday. That would be June, what is it, 15 or 16, something like that. But it's Saturday Eastern Time between 2 and 10 o'clock at night. So I'll leave a link down there in the description for that. Like I said, if you're trying to grow your channel, it's just a group of people that get together and showcase each other's channels, and you can support other people, and people can support your channel when you're in the chat there. So come check it out if you're trying to grow your channel. And if you're just trying to grow your garden, just keep on going right past here. But I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I appreciate any comments you got too. All right, thanks. Have a blessed day. We'll see you next video.